Today's topic is that how to check if a given string is a valid keyword or not. So first we are going to import our library, that is we are going to import our keyword, and after that we are going to initialize our string in which we are going to compare that our string is a keyword or not. So first I have printed all of the keywords list over here which are in the Python, and after that we have taken an output and the condition that if the keyword is the keyword, this is a method, and we are saying that the string one which we have passed, which we need to find out that this is a keyword or not. So if this tends to be the true, then we are going to print that the string is a valid keyword. If not, then the string is not a valid keyword. So as you can see it over here, I have passed and triple A over here. So I get it as a string is not a valid keyword. So let me say that if I pass return over here, then it's going to show me that the string is a valid keyword.